Beginner no?
Beginner yung ginawa.
Ano na lang?
Tara.
Come on, chick gamer.
Tara. Chapter 2.
Ayan guys. Chapter 2. Tunnel. Let's go, let's go. Ano mo, audio? Guys, ang tagal guys. Guys. Guys, pa-report. Pa-report, chick gamer.
Hmm?
Previously.
Hey.
Hey, love.
Hooray! Good for you. It looks like you've made it off the train. Unfortunately for you, though, the train will now be undergoing its emergency brake self-destruction procedure. That means that the train will explode in 90 minutes, which will likely release toxic gas into the surrounding environment. Good news for you is that past the maintenance and control room, there's an elevator. If you take that elevator, you should be able to ride it all the way up to the surface, where you should be safe from the blast and any resultant damage to the surface or surrounding air. Better get moving though, time is ticking.
May nakuha ko sa ground. Pati screwdriver.
Anong kulay nun sa code sa?
Ito ata.
Green, pink.
Ayan. So, na-open ko na yun. So, our hatch.
Ayan. Nandito yung
Kaya natin
kulay
ang
sa
code.
kabila.
Nasa? Only pay attention to the colors you need. Okay. So, sabihin ko yung mga colors na lang. Ayan. So, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, brown, white.
Wait lang. Pink is 2. Red ba? 5.
Ah.
Plus orange, 4. Tapos, ano pang kulay?
Orange, 4. Yellow,
3.
3. Green,
Green, 10.
10. Purple,
Purple, 7.
black,
8.
brown,
1.
white.
9.
Okay, so
Nabuksan mo na?
brown, pink, yellow. The next, orange, red. Wala 6.
6.
Ah.
Blue yung 6 dito.
Hindi ko nalagay. Blue, purple, Yan.
Ano? Okay na.
Ay! My bad. Kinonect ko pa lang pala. So, dapat brown, pink, yellow, orange, red, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan. Nakakonect na siya dito. Turn on power using train to activate keyboard. Code. Naka-color code. Uli yung code. Like, ito, yellow, green, pink, orange, yellow.
Oo. Eh, maraming tingnan mo yung mga kulay dito. Tingnan mo yung shade nila. Iba-iba. Like sa pink.
Ay, hindi. Ano lang ata lang. May di ba? Dito sa mga ano. Ah, ito. Yung king code data, may mga number.
C1.
Ah.
O.
C1,
O3.
O3. Dito ata sa kabila lang. Here. D7.
Tas E9.
Ang kabit mo.
Anong number?
1379.
Ayan.
Yan. Read from top to bottom. Ano, ha?
Fix the pipes to reveal code. Dito na lang muna ako. Ay, may nawawalang pipe.
I'm not a clam, but I have a shell. I may be slow, but at least I swim well. Turtle. 3. Yung digit 2. I have a conductor, but I'm not in a band. You'll need a ticket to ride if you've got a trip plan. Yan. 2. Yung train.
Ba't ang daming nawawala? Ba't di ko ito maayos?
3, 2. I've got a head and a tail, but no body to use. You're stuck with the choice. You can use me to choose. So, yung coin. So, 3, 2, 8. To scoop out my guts on an October night with a candle set, and I'll give you a fright. Bali yung pumpkin. Yung code, 3, 2, 8, 4?
Saan yan? Kabit mo. Ito, sa pangalawa. Wala ka na ba nakikitang pipe?
Ah. Yun, okay na. Na?
Pipe.
Pipe? Ito oh. Wala.
Ah, ito na sa taas.
Numbers on plants in ascending order.
Pangalan ginagawa mo?
Yung pangatlo lang. 6, 2, 2, 6, 8, 9. Look up. Oh! Read from top to bottom. 7, 8, 3, 1.
6914. 6914.
Ooh, easy. Go down.
Di ako makababa.
Final press all 4 buttons. Wala tayo lang.
Ayan ang press.
Kaya ba sunod-sunod?
Ewan
Pindot ko na yung
may
3.
nakita ko number
2. Dito yung 2. Side ko. Last na lang yung 1.
na lang, 1 na lang.
Bye-bye. For remote. Digit 1, apple. Apple, pear,
Pineapple.
pineapple, banana.
For remote.
Huh?
Digit 1, apple.
Kulang yung number na. May apple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pwede 5. Tapos, pear, 5, 4. Wala?
6 yung
7,
pangalawa.
8, 9. 9. 5, 4, 9.
5, 4,
6.
9, 6.
Yan.
Asa yun na ano mo?
Asan? Na-teleport ako dun. Ito. Remote. Papos. Asan yung papos? Ay, ito. Ayan. First equals white. Second, blue. Third, red. Fourth, orange.
Only 8 minutes left. Maybe if you
White
wait to the
7.
cameras, someone will come rescue you. Just kidding.
Blue
Those
2.
cameras went out of service a while ago.
7.
GNCU has moved most of their
1,
surveillance efforts to
6,
residential areas.
7 to 1.
You've got to keep your citizens in check, don't you?
7 to 1. Yan. Tracking objects around the room. Ayan. Itong curtain. Nalipat. Yung triangle 4. Lagyan mo muna yung mga ano. Dun sa wall.
Triangle ano 4. So, asa yung circle?
Last na ano. Meron ka pa bang ano? Nakuha?
Ano kasi? Triangle?
Triangle
4, 9. Asan yung star? Nakita mo yung star?
4. Star? Wala. Ayaw ko. Hindi ata pwedeng move.
For sure.
Guys, can you see the star?
Asan
Can
yung
you
star?
see star? Ba sa
Hindi naman.
ano yung tsura na star? Star talaga.
Ayan, itong asan ito nasa ilalim mo. Ito, nasa upuan lang.
Nasaan?
4, 9, 3, 1. Ito,
Ah,
ano
wala.
sa upuan.
Bulag.
Ay, nag-ano.
Or
9.
Ay, paano ikakabit?
Ito, may ano, lumabas.
may kulang pa tayo.
Baka nasa ibang room. Tingnan ko.
Hindi, dito lang dapat yan, love. Yung cipher?
Ito to.
Nandyan?
May carpet.
Nasa carpet?
Ako na dun sa
Ah,
huling dalawa.
Ayaw nga.
Huling dalawang word.
No. Mahaba talaga sa akin, ha?
Oo, syempre.
VRTSG.
ULFI.
V I Wait. Hindi pala nilagay ko. 8 siguro to. 8.
4
Baka maram-
yata itong pangatlo. Ay, 4 na. 4 HRC. 2 siguro to. Ay, mali.
Nakahula ka.
6 H
PBL.
RSI
Wow, 2 yung akin.
C
8-2 yung akin.
X 6 yung akin. 4-6. Sabi. 4-6.
2, 4, 6. Yaw. Tara.
Ay, tapos na.
Bilis ah.
Ang bilis naman nun.
Siyempre. Wait. Aro?
Chapter 2 completed.
And guys, subscribe if you want more videos like this. Like the video.